Hey there, data enthusiasts. Have you ever looked at a plain chart and wished it had more pop, more depth? Today, we're diving into Seaborn, the tool that transforms your basic Python plots into stunning, detailed visualizations with just a few lines of code. If you're ready to take your data analysis game to the next level, stick around. Welcome to the Knowledge Academy's Python for Data Analysis series, and let's get right into Seaborn. Seaborn is like the secret sauce for data visualization. Built on top of Matplotlib, it's designed to make your visualizations both beautiful and insightful. It takes care of the heavy lifting when it comes to colors, aesthetics, and even statistical plots, so you can focus on what matters: understanding your data. First things first, let's make sure you have Seaborn installed. If you don't, it's as easy as typing pip install Seaborn into your terminal or command prompt. Once installed, importing Seaborn into your Python script is a breeze. Let's walk through a simple setup. With Seaborn and Matplotlib ready to go, let's explore some basic plots that will make your data come to life. One of Seaborn's strengths is its simplicity. Let's start with a classic, the scatter plot. In this example, we'll use Seaborn's scatterplot function to visualize the iris dataset, an old favorite in data analysis. As you can see, we've loaded the iris dataset and quickly created a scatter plot of sepal length versus sepal width. Notice how Seaborn automatically applies a color scheme and grid lines. No extra effort required from you. So one of the Seaborn's best features is its built-in themes. Whether you want a clean, professional look or something more eye-catching, Seaborn's themes have you covered. Let's switch things up and apply a different theme. Here we've set the theme to white grid, giving the plot a clean, grid-based appearance. Seaborn offers other themes like dark grid, whites, and ticks, so you can tailor your visualizations to your audience and context. Let's talk about another key aspect of data visualization: distributions. Seaborn provides intuitive functions like heistplot and k-plot to help you understand how your data is spread. Let's see them in action. With just a few lines of code, Seaborn helps us visualize the distribution of sepal length in the iris dataset, both with a histogram and a KD plot. These plots provide valuable insights into the shape of your data. Ready to dive deeper into your data? Seaborn's pairplot function is an incredibly powerful tool for visualizing relationships between multiple variables. It automatically creates a grid of scatter plots and histograms to help you uncover patterns. Here's the pair plot in action. We've plotted every pair of features in the iris dataset colored by species. This one line of code gives you a comprehensive view of the relationships between different variables, making it easier to identify trends. See, customization is where Seaborn really shines. You can easily tweak the color palette, add titles, or adjust labels to make your visuals presentation ready. Let's add a few finishing touches to our scatter plot. Now we've added a cool blue-red palette, a title, and proper axis labels. This makes your visualizations not only informative but also professional and visually appealing. Before we wrap up, let's look at one more powerful tool, Heatmaps. Heatmaps are fantastic for visualizing correlations between different features in your dataset. Seaborn's heatmap function makes this incredibly simple. Here, we've created a heat map of the correlation matrix for the iris dataset. The darker the blue, the stronger the correlation. It's a quick and easy way to spot relationships between your variables.
Before we wrap up, if you're eager to master more Python skills, check out the Knowledge Academy's e-learning platform. We offer interactive courses, practical projects, and real-time progress tracking, all at your fingertips. Join our community of learners and get started with courses tailored to your needs. Sign up today and unlock your potential.
And that's your introduction to Seaborn, your new go-to tool for creating visually stunning and insightful data visualizations. From scatter plots to pair plots, Seaborn simplifies the process while giving you advanced control over your visuals. Next time, we'll dive even deeper into Seaborn's more advanced plotting capabilities. So make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on.